one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see places that have felt so dry for so long. Areas where you've been praying, where you've waited and where you've hoped for change, where you've wondered if anything can ever change, when anything can be made new. But the Lord says, in the midst of this dryness, I am with you. The dryness does not define your future. I am the one who is breaking open the barren places. I'm bringing my rain, my renewal, my new life. Do not measure tomorrow by what you have seen. Do not measure tomorrow by the past. For I'm moving with my power. I'm bringing my authority into the circumstances of your life. Choose to trust in me, to place your feet upon me as the rock, the solid ground. For I am the one who is bringing my refreshment, the one who is bringing new life. The places that have seemed dry and barren, the places that have seemed arid, are being brought to life anew. For when the rains come, the desert is filled with blossoms. Everything changes, everything is transformed. Trust in me and know that I'm with you, the Lord who is bringing rain, the fresh rain of my spirit. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.